Just a little something. I had some hoodies laying around and I thought I'll Grinch it out. Of course, on my one needle baby lock. I love my baby lock. Hey y'all, I'm back. Spicy Wines Designs. Here doing a Grinch on a hoodie. Thought I'd share this with you. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be alerted every time we post a new video. Just a little something. I had some hoodies laying around and I thought I'll Grinch it out. Of course, on my one needle baby lock. I love my baby lock. The hoodies I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I'm using black thread for the outline of his face, his smile, his Grinch. And then I'm doing yellow thread for the inside of his eyes. And then I think I'm gonna I didn't do it on this particular beanie, but I'm gonna put the Grinch in green. So stay tuned for the finished product. Oh, and I forgot, I also am using the water soluble on top because it is a beanie and kind of thick. So I want to make sure it comes out as it did. To let you know, I flipped the beanie inside out and then I placed it on the hoop. Also, I flipped the image to the side and moved it over a little bit. That way I was able to get it positioned perfectly here. This is not working, I'm hiding it, so my hands are in the way. But and we'll go. And as it notifies, it is finished. So I used the water soluble as mentioned. Let me back off some. Because of the thickness and everything. And this peels right off. There it is. It's still more there, but I'll get that off. And I'll be back because I am going to put the wording, the Grinch, on the side of the beanie. So, as always, like, comment, subscribe, and we have a ball reading your comments and having you give us suggestions on certain things. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, Spicy Wines Designs, www.spicywyne.com. Thank you so much. Later. Okay, I'm back. I have created the wording Grinch in the I'm gonna save it because I don't want to lose it. So yeah, I just created the digitized, matter of fact, the word, the Grinch, and the actual baby lock in the Visionary digitizing system. So there are some things that can be digitized, pulled in off my travel drive and entered into it and digitized. One day I'll show you that process as well. But it's getting late in the evening and I'm ready to be done with these beanies. So I'm gonna do that in green. And I have my green thread in. And I'm going to thread the machine now. Also, I want to make sure that when it stitches that I'm going to be within, because I'm using the water soluble, so I don't want to make sure it doesn't go off the grid. And it looks like we're good to go. Yeah, we're within the loop. And we're off. have it. It has notified that it's finished with the embroidery. You see the Grinch. And as always, I love my baby lock. There's a green thread. And let's unhook her. And there it is, the Grinch. Came out pretty good for own personal digitizing. And it was all done on the baby lock. So, again, thank you. As always, like, comment, subscribe. And we'll be with you again. Just hit that alert button and you'll always be alerted when we finish the project. Thank you so much for visiting and watching with Spicy Wines Designs. Have a great day.